Hey y'all, good morning. It's your girl Q&NiNi and I'm back with another video. Before I get started, make sure you subscribe to this video if you haven't subscribed. Comment down below once you do so. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you share this video out. I'm just gonna share with y'all what I'm eating for breakfast. Oh y'all, I got a dang order came in. Right here, he sits over because my stuff be coming in. But heaven says, hey, I have some oatmeal. And I got some French toasties. So y'all go ahead and eat with your girl this morning. I guess I'll be doing an unboxing later on. Unboxing. Excuse the noise in the background. This may be a silent, you know, mukbang, whatever. To show y'all my strawberry oatmeal. Just trying to get these videos up, you know what I'm saying? This is my first time trying these. They tear apart like that. They good, Quan. What you talking about?
Oh, they good. Hey, come on.
No fork needed. Let's turn it down a little bit. What y'all can do?
Clean up.
Oh, they finna go clean up. Kwame think he get excused from cleaning up. No, sir. Got my glass of orange juice from Minute Maid. So delicious. Yeah, I'm gonna get these mukbangs down pat one day. Get that shoe out of her hand. Nevaeh, leave them shoes alone. I don't know what the heck this is, y'all. Need that butter syrup. I like my oatmeal to be kind of soft. No, you do it. I'm not doing it while I'm eating. No. Go take it to Kwame. Take it to Kwame. Heaven. Come put your sister's shoes on. Get to Heaven. That foot. No, it's that one. These kids are running crazy. They think it's funny, it's not. This is how I gain my weight, y'all. By eating oatmeal every morning. And then I go work out. Well, let's do it. Well, this is about it, y'all. I ate half of it. Over half.
You back, baby. They are pitted in. Mama, turn.
All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you comment down below and make sure you return and wait for new, videos to come out. Thank you for watching.